Want to update your AirPods firmware but not sure how? AirPods usually update on their own, but it's still important to know how to check if you're running the latest version and how to trigger an update if needed. This works for all AirPods model, including AirPods 1, 2, 3, Pro, and Max. In this video, I'll walk you through how to check your firmware version and how to update it the right way. Let's jump in. First, go to your iPhone settings, tap Bluetooth. Now tap the I next to your AirPods. Make sure to remember the model name of your AirPods here. After that, tap version. See if the firmware version is backdated or not. To check, tap on this support.apple.com link over here. This will show you all the details of the latest AirPods firmware versions. Make sure that your AirPod model and its firmware version matches the one shown here. If it's outdated, here's what you can do to update your firmware. Unfortunately, you can't manually update them with a button, but you can trigger it by doing this. Leave your AirPods in the case, plug the case into a charger, keep your iPhone nearby, connect it to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It should update on its own overnight. And that's all there is to it. As long as everything's connected, the update will install quietly in the background. There's no progress bar, so just check the firmware version later to confirm it went through. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.